Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Legacy TV, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Have you ever felt bloated after a meal, struggled with digestion, or noticed changes in your mood? If so, you might be dealing with an unhealthy gut. Today, we're diving deep into how to heal your gut naturally, using simple, effective strategies that you can start implementing today. So stay tuned because these tips could change your life. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get into it. So, what is gut health and why is it so important? Our gut is not just about digestion, it's a complex ecosystem home to trillions of bacteria, often referred to as the microbiome. These bacteria help break down food, produce vitamins, and even influence our immune response and mental health. A healthy gut can enhance your energy levels, improve your mood, and keep inflammation at bay. On the flip side, an unhealthy gut can lead to a myriad of issues, from digestive problems to autoimmune diseases. Now, how can you tell if your gut needs some extra love? Here are some common signs to watch out for: bloating and gas. If you feel uncomfortable fullness or experience excessive gas, it may signal gut imbalance. Diarrhea or constipation. Both extremes can indicate digestive distress. Food intolerances. A sudden sensitivity to foods you once enjoyed can point to a disrupted gut. Skin issues. Conditions like eczema or acne might be linked to gut health. Chronic fatigue. A sluggish gut can sap your energy. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it might be time to take action and heal your gut naturally. Alright, let's dive into the essential tips for nurturing your gut.
Diversity in your diet is key. Different foods promote different bacteria in your gut. Incorporate a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Aim for colorful plates. The more colors, the better.
Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha are rich in probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore balance in your gut. Just a small serving each day can make a big difference.
Hydration is vital for digestion. Water helps break down food so nutrients can be absorbed. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses a day, but listen to your body. Thirst is a great indicator.
Sugar and highly processed foods can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. They can feed harmful bacteria and yeast in your gut. Instead, opt for whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your microbiome.
Fiber acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. Incorporate high-fiber foods like beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables. Not only does fiber promote healthy digestion, but it also helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports heart health.
Stress can wreak havoc on your gut. It can lead to inflammation and disrupt gut bacteria. Consider integrating stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even enjoying a hobby you love.
Quality sleep is essential for gut health. While we sleep, our body repairs itself, including our digestive system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. If you struggle with sleep, try setting a regular bedtime routine.
If you find it challenging to get enough probiotics from food, you might consider supplements. Look for ones with diverse strains of bacteria and consult with a healthcare provider to find the best option for you.
Now let's talk about specific foods. Embrace foods rich in probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics include fermented foods like kimchi, miso, and yogurt. Prebiotics are found in foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. They feed the good bacteria in your gut. On the flip side, try to avoid foods high in sugar, artificial additives, and trans fats. They can create an unhealthy environment in your gut. You might be surprised to learn that gut health is closely tied to mental health. The gut and brain communicate through what's called the gut-brain axis. Research shows that a healthy gut can improve mood and cognitive function, while an unhealthy gut may be linked to anxiety and depression. This is another reason why taking care of your gut is so crucial. To wrap it all up, healing your gut naturally is a journey that involves small, sustainable changes. Focus on a diverse diet, hydration, and stress management, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier gut and a happier you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Legacy TV for more tips on living your healthiest life. Your gut health matters, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. And remember, a happy gut leads to a happy life. See you next time.